Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to deal with the PowerPoint files in the university. Sometimes you will download the file and it will have sometimes they'll have two types of file extensions. So we have PPSX and then we have PPTX. So PPSX is just a slideshow. So you can't modify the file and you cannot print the file. You cannot do a lot of stuff with it. So as you can see here, you cannot print, you cannot change the things, and you just view the slideshow and you can't interact with it. But in the PPTX, this will allow you to print, as you can see, print here if you want, and if you want to change the things inside of the slides, you can change them, and it will allow you also to do some stuff. So I will show you how to convert the PPSX into the PPTX. So to convert the PPSX file into the PPTX is by just right-clicking on the file and then select New. This will open another file. Okay, and then if you have enabled the Microsoft account on your computer, you want to enable editing first, and then you want to save the file again. Okay, so you go save as, and then you save it in the same save it just to wherever you want, and this will convert the file from PPSX into PPTX. Here you can select whatever format you want, but you want the PPTX, and then you can save it again, and this will convert the PPSX into PPTX file, and then you can print, you can change the things inside of the file, and so on. Okay, so there's another thing that I wanted to show you here. So if you go to the slideshow, as you can see, it's gonna run automatically. It will change the slides automatically. As you can see here, the slideshow will change the slides automatically. You see here. So if you want to prevent this from happening, I'm not pressing anything here. You see it changes, it keeps changing the slides. So if you want to prevent this from happening, you want to go to the slideshow option here, and then you want to select use timings. Use timings, play, back, slide, and animation timings during your slideshow. You can record slide and animation timings using the phrases rehearse timings or whatever. So you just select this, and then when you play the thing again, it will not change the thing. When I press, it will change, but if I don't press, it doesn't change. And that is it.